Hi, in this video, we're going to see how to add music to your Instagram story. This is a very fun feature. I just love it. I've used it plenty of times myself. So what you do is you just add a story the normal way you would usually do it, right? And just select any of the images on your phone. I'm just selecting this one. And then of course you could add any text if you like. This is just some random text. I'm just showing this for demonstration purposes, and then you add the music. How you do that? You select this option, this little icon on the top from the right. It would be the third icon. Select this and now tap on music, which is in here, as you could see, music, and then you could search the song of your choice. So I'm quite sure that Instagram would have the popular songs, most of those in here. You could search for these, especially if you're into classic rock like me. You could just go for anything, and it even has other songs, I mean songs in another language apart from English. But let's just add any song in here. So for example, okay, I've just muted it so that I could talk to you guys. So as you could see, I have selected this song in here. Here Comes the Sun by the Beatles. Here are 4 different sort of fonts that you could use, which means that these would just display the lyrics in their own distinct styles. You could use any of these, and if you don't want the lyrics to appear, you could select any of these options in here. Maybe this one. It just has the album cover, the title of the song, the artist's name in there. And you could also amend your selection section, which means that you could run the lyrics from a different part of the song, for example, in here. So these are different lyrics to what you were hearing at that point. You could also alter the length of the clip. As you might know, Instagram can allow clips to run for up to 15 seconds in a single story. So you could change that if you like to 15, or maybe lower it to 5 if you like. And then once you're done with that, you just select done, select the particular font, and maybe this isn't blending in too well with my color scheme, but the purpose of this demonstration was just to show you how it works. And once you're done, you would just tap on your story. Here, let me unmute. So as you could see, this is being uploaded to my story right now, and this is how you basically add any music to your Instagram stories. It is really a marvelous feature. I'm so glad Instagram introduced it, and this could really make your stories much more fun and interesting.